Hi, Joe Schmalz from Mr. Home Inspector. We're inside an attic in about a 1950, 15-year-old home, looking at knob and tube wiring. Even though it's still functional and in great shape, something that's outdated and should be replaced with an upgraded electrical system. You can see that we have the old insulators with the wires going through them. Everything's on top of the insulation, so it doesn't really pose a potential fire hazard like some do in this area. So recommended repair would be to upgrade to modern building standards to electric today.